What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today is a very sad day. I don't know, maybe some of you guys are excited. I'm kind of excited, but I'm a little bit sad. I think we might be taking off the GTR wrap today. No more red, bro. A little sad. I love the red. Red is my favorite color, as you guys know. Everything I have is red. Every car I've had has been red. I want to take it off because I'm kind of bored of the red. Like, I love it. It looks so freaking good, but I kind of want to change. And I can easily just take the wrap off and it's gonna feel like I have a brand new car again, all black. I do miss the all black look. Like, that is why I bought a black GTR, because I love all black GTRs. They just look so mean. And I never got to see it black with this front lip on, or the carbon side skirts, or the carbon trunk. So this will be the first time seeing it all black with all the carbon fiber stuff. I'm probably gonna keep it black for a little bit. I don't know what color I'm gonna rewrap it, because it's very hard to choose. There's so many colors out there. So I'm really gonna need you guys' help on that. What color should we wrap the GTR next? But guys, I am super freaking scared. If you guys remember about, like, maybe, I don't even know, maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago? It was my first video that went viral on YouTube. We unwrapped my E92 M3 and the paint got fucked up. It literally peeled the paint on the front bumper, it peeled the paint on the side skirt. It peeled paint everywhere, bro, and I was so freaking sad. So I'm literally praying that my paint does not get messed up on the GTR, because this paint is so beautiful. It's like a black with like a metallic sparkle in it, and I do not want it to get messed up. I will literally cry if my GTR paint gets fucked up right now. And by the way, look, Hugo's in town. Hugo came through. Not just came through. I think Hugo's actually moving down here now, guys. Finally, bro. You know how long I've been trying to convince him to move down here? Start vlogging more, start grinding more, hustling more, and it's gonna be sick. And we all have some big plans soon, so hopefully everything works out. But yeah, Hugo's moving down here, guys. Quick little update, real quick though. The dirt bike, still have not rode it. I hadn't even touched dirt. I'm so sad. These tires are like brand new. I need someone to come and just like re-torque everything, because it doesn't feel right. I rode it once up the street and it feels kind of wobbly. I've never put a dirt bike together in my life, so I'm pretty sure I didn't do it right. So I need someone that knows how to work on dirt bikes to come and put it together correctly, so I can finally freaking ride this thing. And as you guys seen, the homie Fresh Kicks actually got a dirt bike finally. So we're trying to go riding soon, but my bike is down. I need to get it fixed. The E46 is in here chilling. So sad. I literally forget that I have this car. I need to start driving that more. Like I said, I've been just super busy with things that are coming soon. I don't know if that video is coming out before this, but I've been working on some things, and that's why I haven't really been focusing on a lot of things. I was really focusing on this new business venture. BMX bikes, which I don't really get to ride that much, but who wants to see some BMX videos? Comment down below. And then Conce wheels. I got brand new wheels I got to throw on this car still. I still haven't done that. Anyways, let's get this car out and start unwrapping it. Damn, I'm gonna miss this color. I'm kind of regretting it right now. I'm really fighting myself to not do it today, but I'm really debating now that I see it in the sun. It just looks so good. I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Why?
Bro, look at it.
That's what we were just talking about.
There's no way.
That look hard black though.
It is, but bro, like, once I do this, I can't go back.
Once you pull one,
It's done, bro. I'm not gonna wrap the car red again. Put these off.
anything that has to do with you disassembling the car, you're doing.
We have to put these off.
I'm not touching none of it.
I don't know how to do it. We have to figure it out. You wanna see it?
It's huge, bro.
It's big on. Here, let me see. Hold this. The bike's honestly too big for me, bro. Like, it's heavy as fuck.
No way you just hit the. No way you just hit the E46 like that,
Look
bro.
how big this shit is, bro.
That shit is huge.
It should start right up. Oh, it's a good height for you, not me. I'm too short.
This is how we start our mornings. There's no way. He's really tripping, bro. That's crazy how dirt bikes, you can literally ride them anywhere. You can go anywhere. He's tripping. Oh, hell no. He's over here trying to bust the wheelie.
Okay?
Nope.
No?
Hell no, I'm not riding it right now. I'm just waking up.
Oh shit. It's a big ass bike, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
This thing is huge.
It's too big. All right, guys, we're gonna start off by doing a hood. I think the hood might be the easiest part. Hold on. I forgot this hood doesn't stay up by itself.
No way.
Bro, $80,000 for a car and it doesn't even stay up. You gotta put a fucking stick. The E92 can stay up.
The moment you peel this back,
There's no going back.
there's no going back.
Ahí está.
So I'm gonna let you do
Ahí
that.
está?
It's off.
Fuck no.
It's off.
Bro, we don't need this thing. Put it down.
There's no way. There's no way.
Did you let it sit out here for a while?
A little bit.
Gosh, look, my video. This paint's gonna start peeling with it and everything.
Just kidding, nah. Just glue. I'm sad, bro. Try not to think about it. I'll hire you if FindingNick LLC. No, we charge $6.99.
Fuck. My hopes were too high. $10.
$6, bro. I got you. You got benefits.
Yeah, what kind of benefit?
You can drive the cars.
This guy?
Who would do that? Comment down below. $6 an hour, you work with me, and you get to drive my car.
You ain't driving that because that never gets out, man.
Bro, the paint looks pretty sick though.
Oh my god, look at guys.
That shit looks hard like that. I'm not even.
Now there's really no going back. The carbon hood?
Yeah, if you did a carbon hood like that.
That's how it would have looked if I did do the carbon hood. Wow, bro. I'm sad. It wasn't that bad, honestly. What, let's tell you, 5 minutes? It didn't take that long, actually. Look how sick that looks. It's coming out all black again. It does look good, bro. See with the door closed. Oh yeah, this is gonna look mean, bro. But look like I got 1,200 horsepower right now. With the trunk all black. The paint's still smooth, guys. Thank God we haven't had no peeling yet, so thank God. But yeah, the paint still feels really nice. If you guys remember, the car was ceramic coated, like super good before we wrapped it. So I think that's why like the wrap's barely sticking on. The only thing that sucks is we have to get around this. The mirror, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. And I don't feel like taking off the mirror right now. This shit's looking crazy, bro. It's almost all black. This side's done. This is door and front bumper. And the car's done. This honestly isn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse. But I don't know how long we've been at it. Probably like barely an hour. And we're almost done, bro. If you guys want to get a car and wrapped, hit up Jordan.
I do everything.
$6 an hour?
$6 an hour.
Oh.
Guys, look at this. It honestly looks so freaking good. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it better, Jordan. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm feeling it too with the caliper.
This shit looks mean, bro. So before I wrapped it, I never got to see it with like the black grill. We wrapped all this part black. This used to be gray. So I never even got to see that black with the black paint. I also never got to see the lip on it with the black paint or the side skirt. So I didn't have any of that, bro. So now it just looks like a brand new car. This shit looks so sick. I need to get it detailed because this side looks clean, but this side looks dirty because the wheels are like brown. They're not even black. This shit needs to get detailed bad. There's so much brake dust, you can literally see it on the camera. We need to take off the mirrors to get under here because that wraps underneath the mirror. So we have to take off the mirror, but it's a pain in the ass to take the mirrors off. We got to take off the door panels on the inside, then take the mirrors off, and then take the wrap off, and then re-put back the mirror on, put back the door panel on. That's a pain in the ass, but we might end up doing that today. But the majority of it is off. And honestly, it wasn't that bad, guys. The paint didn't get messed up whatsoever. So that's freaking good. No clear coat peeled, no paint peeled. It probably took like an hour only. Jordan's over here messing with the dirt bike. Look at this, guys. This is all the wrap. It doesn't even seem like that much. Like, there's no way this is all one car, bro. It looks like so little. I don't know. It doesn't even look like that much wrap. But what should I do with this? Should I just throw it away? Or would one of you guys want some of the wrap? I don't know how I can do it. Maybe like every order that gets placed today or something, I'll throw in a piece of wrap in there or something like that. That's actually a good idea. So everyone who places an order today on shopfindingnick.com, I'm gonna throw in a piece of wrap. I'm even gonna sign the piece of wrap for you guys. You guys will get a piece of the wrap off my GTR sent to you. I think it'll be pretty cool. It's kind of like a good little memory. And it's the actual wrap from the GTR, so that's pretty sick. I know there's not much on the website. We only have a couple more shirts, a couple more hoodies, but we do have a ton of stickers. So yeah, shop FindingNick.com. Any order you guys place today, I'm gonna throw in a piece of wrap and I'll sign it for you guys. I promise. That's actually really sick. I'm hyped for that. Oh my God, it looks pretty sick, dude. Comment down below, guys. What do you guys think about the GTR all black? I think it looks amazing. It looks so mean. It looks freaking sick. Like I said, I never got to see it with the lip on or the black grille. So that is why I bought a black GTR to begin with, because I just love all black GTRs. It was like my dream to have an all black GTR. Sheesh. And with the trunk too. I never got to see it with the trunk. Damn, bro. Look how loud Hugo's car is. You can't even hear the GTR. The GTR's on. And you can't even hear it over this loud ass freaking M3. Oh, I missed that sound, guys. I know you guys missed that too. I miss my E92 so much, bro. If only I had both of them again. I had all of them, guys. I had an E46, E92, and a GTR, and an E36. Oh my God. Fun fact, that is my old exhaust that I used to have on my M3. So he has the exact exhaust setup as my car, which is crazy. He's scraping to watch. Oh, he is scraping. This fool Hugo's about to wake up all my neighbors.
Bro, there's no way this is loud.
There's no way, bro. My neighbors are gonna...
That quiet, that quiet.
They're gonna key your car, homie. Oh my God. Oh my God, Hugo. Yeah, my neighbors are gonna hate him. Look, you still can't even hear the GTR. So quiet. Oh my God, Hugo. This fool's tripping. Oh yeah, my neighbors are gonna kill me. It looks so weird with the black GTR in here. Everything's red except for a black GTR.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.